Watergate Salad, and this is a salad that was popular and served on a lot of weekends at the Watergate Hotel in Washington, D.C. Think of the Watergate Hotel during the Nixon era. A fresh pistachio, about 1 cup of fresh pistachio nuts. Grind them up. 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour. Turn my oven on medium. Adding my non-dairy milk, just a little bit at a time. I am going to try to blend it because the tapioca flour is very fine. And I'll add, it's about 2 cups to 2 tablespoons of that tapioca flour, 2 cups of the non-dairy milk. Now I've brought it to a boil, and I'm going to turn it down to low. And I want to continue stirring. Then I will add about 1 teaspoon of imitation vanilla. So we're making our pudding from scratch. A food coloring. So I'm gonna add a couple of drops. Oh, maybe 6 drops or so. You can determine the color that you want. And I'll stir that around. And then I'm going to add our pistachios. It's about 1 cup, and we ground them up. To a nice festive bowl. Some crushed pineapples. You can use pineapple tidbits, but I'm using, and I've drained it well. So I'm gonna empty that. Got 1 14-ounce package of shredded coconut. About 1/3 of the package I'm going to put in the pudding, and the other part I'll use as much as I want to decorate the top of it. 1/3 of a package inside the pudding. And I'll start mixing this up. Stir this around, mix this well, blend it. This is our Watergate salad. And I'm gonna garnish the top with plenty of coconut shreds. So I've used about 1/3 of a package on the inside. Let's say 1/3 of a package of them I'm gonna garnish on the top. And with these maraschino cherry. You can cut it in half, but I'm going to just use the whole cherries and just kind of even them, distribute them out so it can look very decorative.